Nothing is more vital to the working of a continuous freezer than the pump. In fact, it's not just a component, it's the pulsating heart of your ice cream production line. And just as with a real heart, pumps need the occasional checkup to make sure they are performing at their absolute best. That's where we come in. At a Tetra Pak service center, the service and maintenance are done by pump specialist engineers. They are ready to receive your pump at one of our strategically located service centers in China, the USA, and Denmark. You get a warranty that lasts for a year. You also receive a capacity certificate giving you proof of the performance level before and after the service. This is like taking the pulse of your pump. We know what works best in our pumps. That's why we only use genuine parts made from safe materials approved for food production. You can also rest assured that we only replace parts when it's really necessary. It couldn't get any easier. You remove the pump that needs servicing or repairing and send it to your nearest Tetra Pak service center. When the pump arrives at the center, it is first tested to see how it performs, and the condition of the pump housing is inspected. Based on the test result, the pump specialist engineer replaces what's needed, whether it involves replacing smaller parts or undertaking a more extended repair. With condition-based maintenance, we make sure to avoid unnecessary costs. The whole process will be tailored to your needs. Taking care of one's heart should always be a priority. And now that your pumps are good to go, your production can continue to flow smoothly at a fast pace. Tetra Pak Service Centers, where we ensure that the heart of your production stays strong and steady.